Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage crypto diversification with Wealthfront, full guide step by step clearly. First, open the Wealthfront app or website. Log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, sign up for one and complete any required verification. Once logged in, navigate to the investment section of the platform. Locate the cryptocurrency investment options provided by Wealthfront. Review the list of available cryptocurrencies for investment. Consider your financial goals and risk tolerance before making any decisions. Select the cryptocurrencies you want to invest in. Wealthfront usually offers a diversified portfolio that includes various coins. Make sure to analyze the potential risks and rewards associated with each cryptocurrency. Adjust your investment allocation based on your personal preferences. Wealthfront may offer automated rebalancing features to maintain your chosen allocation. If this feature is available, enable it to help manage volatility. Monitor your portfolio's performance regularly through the app. Check for any significant market changes that might impact your investments. Stay informed about the latest trends and news in the cryptocurrency space. Reevaluate your portfolio periodically to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. If new cryptocurrencies are introduced, research them to see if they fit your strategy. Diversification is key, so consider maintaining a mix of established and emerging coins. If needed, consult with a financial advisor for personalized guidance. Finally, be patient and stay disciplined in your investment approach. This completes your guide to managing crypto diversification with Wealthfront. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.